Hey guys, this video today's on changing the filter in your shop vac. Okay, this was the closest filter that they had. This is the one I went with, this Multifit cartridge filter. It says it fits most shop vacs. So let's see. All right, so the first thing you want to do is pop the top on this thing. Just do that with the latches here. See that this filter is, this thing's in major need of a change out here. First thing you want to do is get that old one off of there. Okay, to get this one off here, pop that out like that. Lift that off of there. Look at that nasty old filter. Jeez. Gives you the directions there. Go. This just slaps right on there and it won't come off. It's nice and firm on there. So that's it. That's how you do it. That's gonna be nice to have that baby on there. This thing was well overdue. I am so happy to have this new filter on here. So what I did is I squirted this thing all out too. So very happy about that. Let's test this baby out with the new filter.